In this video, we are going to get into ASML. We're going to talk about that, all right, because there's an update with the news, and I want to show you the position on the chart. And then also we're going to talk about LI, okay, the position on the chart with LI. So ASML, let's go right here. Okay, $920. You see it's right there. ASML, the daily time frame right there. Here's the moving averages. All right, let me just show you. A couple of days ago, we had earnings. You see this green box down here? This is saying we had earnings, this green dotted line. Okay, it fell down. But when it fell down, it came to this 200 SMA support, the 200-day SMA support, and it SMA line, and it caught support. That's what I'm trying to say. It caught support. That is very nice. Look at that. You see what I'm saying right there? Okay, when the stock broke above, it came back and it rested there. It was nice support for it. Okay, and ever since it came above this price line, $854, see, it hit again, hit there, popped up, hit there, popped up, came here again, hit this area, and popped up. This is the candle where we're at now. So $854 is clearly a support level. And with this 200 SMA moving average line, right, that's the support. So if you wanted to go into that, I wanted to show you, well, why is everybody so excited about it? There's news. Yes, there's news. I'm going to get to the news. I just first wanted to show you this. Yes. Okay. ASML outperforming 8, okay, is up 30%. For the year. Just want to show you that kind of stuff, just in case you're into it. I'm not here for the fundamentals and everything. Wanted to show that as we move on to the news. This is the news that's going on. ASML reported, okay, that reportedly they will be exempted from the U.S. chip export curbs. Okay, because this whole big thing of what's going to happen to some of the chips coming out of China. Well, ASML is expected to be included on the list of chip companies that will be exempt from a sweeping new trade restriction targeting China. All right? So good news, good news. All right? So good news there. I wanted to make sure I show you that back to the chart because look at this. I want you to know if we go just to this area, if you're buying where you're at now, and you take it almost to the top. See the 17%? So if you just go like almost to the top, to this level, 1,080, you'll get 17%. If you go a little higher, if you go from here and you go to the tippy top, 19%. Wanted to show you that. Now also what I wanted to show you is this. Okay, now if you buy where you're at now, you kind of want to know, well, what is my risk to reward ratio? Let's move over a little bit. Let's move over. Okay, so now if you go to the tippy top and then you have a stop like right there, then the reward is only 2.85. Okay, so 2.85. You want this number to be above a 3. You want it to be above a 3. So that means either if you're getting into this, you have to adjust your stop to make it shorter, or what I would like, okay, to do if I was you, I would try to get in lower. Try to get in lower. If the stock drops lower, try to get in lower, okay? So what would be more idea, if this dips down a little low, hold on, let me just take this off, because you've seen this. And remember, we're going to talk about LI in this video, so don't go anywhere. Alrighty, so here, let's just say it drops down to here, this area. Okay, if we drop down into this kind of area, hold on, right, okay, if we drop right here, then if you put your stop a little below all this action, because believe you me, they do hunt for stop orders, okay, just to trigger it and then let the stock go without you. So if you try to set an alert, or in your brokerage, set a limit order to buy when you hit around down here. Okay, so this price go across here. Okay, so set something like that. See if you can pick it up. Put your stop a little lower, and then don't go to the tippy top. You may not hit it, and then see, look, then you're above the 3. Then you're above a 3 with your risk to reward, and that's what you want. You want See, above a 3. And then also you could, if you want to see what it looks like to the tippy top, see how the number's changing all the way. It's like almost it's like 4.50 practically. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Now let's just move on to LI. Okay, so for everybody with this LI, alrighty. Here we go, $19.72. It's right here. And this is why I'm showing it, because it is right here. This is the candle. All right, so you see how this purple line, this is the 50-day moving average. Remember, everybody, we changed the chart. We're in LI, daily time frame. So this 50-day moving average, it usually, comes close to this area a little bit and then bounces off, tries to come close, bounces off, right? So it's resistance, okay? We're here. Will we finally break through? That's what you want to know. Will we break through? Also, here on this other side of it, you can see down here, okay, you see like how it was trending down like this way. Okay, hold on, and then follow me. All these, here we go. It's kind of like, let me just adjust it. This trend line doesn't want to work out to save his life, right? But I wanted to get the majority of the point is this area. You see where the stock would come to this area, right? And keep bouncing. So this was support. And then you see how we came down here. All right. So it was support from this side, and then we bounced here. And then when we came here again, we bounced again. We had support at this line. Okay, $17.84. All right, and then see, it seems like we have a little support, temporary support right here now as well. Do we? Hopefully we do. Okay, for everybody who is interested in this stock. Okay, so we may have a little bit of support here. So it seems like it's trying to push its way upward. Now, if we do, right, from where we're at, what would it be? Hold on. So let's just say you came through here. Okay, look at the parentheses. You see it's saying $10.62. 10.62%. If you could finally one day just try to get up to this level, it's like almost a 50%. That's why people are looking like that, because it's almost a 50%. Okay, boom. If that happens, it's just something to know. Wanted to make sure you're aware. If you want to buy lower, set some alerts down here, or set some limit orders to buy down here. Okay, because this would be even better. And then to ride it up. So I wanted to make sure I showed you a little bit of these things on the chart here. Because you want to know like what's going on. What would this look like if I do this, or if I do that? So I am showing you. I'm here for it. All right. And then you see your risk to reward, 4.6. Okay. I want to leave you with this. All right. Missy right here, former state Secretary of State. This is what she said. She was saying, okay, this is a quote by her. What people have the capacity to choose, they have the ability to change. Okay? What people have the capacity to choose, they have the ability to change. Okay? Albright, Secretary of State. Very, very nice. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. Click like and subscribe.